As the projects get more and more complex, there's more and more layers, more and more stakeholders, more and more voices. And while that can be a great thing to have more voices at the table, it can also be a lot of confusion and a lot of things to navigate in terms of just making sure that everybody is on the same page. A team of experts is very important to make sure that the project is successful. One of the unique aspects of Centra is the employee owners. So in that way, we do put a little bit more of ourselves into not just the product that we sell, but the passion that that we bring to completing your project. So in that way, Centra is a little bit different than your typical window company. We are window geeks at heart, but also we do ensure that customers become family.